What is up, Flying Filmmaker? So I've been working on some apps for drone pilots, and in this video I'm going to show you some of what I've built. And all of these apps are currently available to Flying Filmmaker students inside the Flying Filmmaker course. So the first app I built is a drone ND filter calculator. A lot of people, sometimes myself included, have a hard time figuring out which ND filter to use on their drone. You kind of have to guess, try one on, see if it works, maybe take that one off and try a different one on. And there are ways to calculate it, but do you really want to have to look at a whole chart of numbers? And all in all, it's just kind of a pain. So I built an app to fix it. So to use this, we'll just fire up the app on our phone and then come over to our drone remote and set our settings without the ND filter on so that our exposure is correct. Nothing is too bright or too dark. And then we'll just look at what the shutter speed is here. So it's 1/500th of a second. And then we'll come over to our ND filter app and just click on 1/500th of a second for current shutter speed. And then for target shutter speed, you'll usually just want to leave this at 1/60th of a second because that's the shutter speed you'll want to use most of the time. And then down at the bottom, you can see that we need an ND8 ND filter. And let's say that we had 1/2000th of a second shutter speed. If it was a lot brighter, then you can see we need an ND32 filter. So just a much quicker and more efficient way to pick out the right ND filter. And then the second app that I built is called Golden Hour Finder. This one is for finding the best lighting to get the most cinematic drone shots. In general, you get the prettiest drone shots during golden hour just before and after the sun has come up. So I built this app where you can just click use my current location and it will find your location, or you can just put in a city name or zip code if you want to look up golden hour information for another location. And then you can also change the date if you want to plan for a different time, but by default it is set to today. And then you can see that the next golden hour, which will be this evening around sunset, is in just 37 minutes, so coming right up. And then we have a full breakdown of for morning light, when blue hour is, how long it lasts, when golden hour is, how long it lasts, the exact moment sunrise is at, then when solar noon is. That's generally going to be the worst time to shoot because the light is the harshest. And then in the evening, we can see that golden hour is from 7:52 p.m. to 8:47, lasts for 42 minutes. Sunset is at 8:29, and then blue hour lasts for 12 minutes and is from 8:47 to 8:59. And this last app is more something you'll tend to use on your computer. So popping back into the studio for it, this one is a drone job pricing calculator to help you know how much to charge for drone jobs. So here you can just put in whatever your hourly rate is. We obviously have some suggestions here. Those are just broad suggestions. How long it is going to take to edit the project. If you are also doing video editing for it or some other kind of post-processing, you can obviously turn that off if you're just shooting, no editing, but you can also put in the number of hours and your hourly rate. There's also an option to add in here an extra fee for airspace authorization if you have to go through and get manual airspace authorization with the FAA, and that's a bunch of extra work. You can charge extra for that if you want to. And then you can also add your expenses in here, mileage to drive to a location, any flights, hotels, car rentals, any of that kind of stuff. And then you can add in here any contractors and crews. So let's say that you're hiring a visual observer for your drone shoot. Let's say you're paying them 150 bucks for this shoot. You can add that into the calculator. You can add in any miscellaneous expenses, music licensing, permits. If you need to rent any gear or equipment, you can add in any custom expenses that you want to. And then over here on the right side, you can see what the total bill to the client will be, how much you're charging for shooting, how much for editing, what your total expenses are, and what your profit is versus the total bill to the client. And then if you want to have a nice quote to send to the client, you can just click here on generate client quote, fill in your information and fill in the client's information. And then you can put in any details about the project. You can put in shoot dates, quote number, when the quote is valid until. You can put in any notes or terms that you want to add, and then you just click build quote. And you'll get a nice quote here that you can either print or just print to PDF and save as a PDF that you can send directly to your clients. So yeah, guys, those are the apps that I've built for drone pilots so far. As I mentioned, these are available to Flying Filmmaker students inside the Flying Filmmaker drone filmmaking course, along with over 100 tutorials breaking down my entire drone filmmaking process, from finding locations and planning shoots to how to shoot drone videos, how to edit them, how to color grade them, all of that good stuff. And so if you're interested in getting access to all of that, plus all of my LUTs, presets, all that good stuff, link to the Flying Filmmaker course is down in the description. Or if you aren't ready to dive into the full course, I have a completely free 45-minute drone filmmaking training where I share my top 10 secrets to getting cinematic shots with your drone. And again, that's completely free, no strings attached, and link to it is down in the description as well. So yeah, guys, just wanted to show you some of what I've been working on. If you have an idea for a drone app that you'd love to see made into reality, drop it down in the comments and I just might decide to work on it. As always, hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.